Hi guys, welcome back to Cardz TV. As promised, today we're going to make a couple of cards using this close to my heart Lucky Friendship Kit. Now I've decided I'm going to make this one, and then I've got an idea for one that I want to make on my own. So what I did for this one, I turned over inside and I looked at the cutting diagrams for that card, and I cut the pieces of cardstock and the paper that comes in the kit, and then I looked at the picture right here to see how everything went. I got my stamping done just like it shows you right here, and I stamped the little 4-leaf clover, and I cut it out with my brother's Scan and Cut because I'm going to pop that up. So let me get everything over here and we'll put this one together. I think it's really cute, and it's a great little friendship card, and you can use it for St. Patrick's Day. I took one of the card bases that comes in the kit, and I went ahead and cut all my pieces, and I'm going to put them together just like the picture. I love this black glitter paper, and I'm going to be using some art glitter glue to get all of this adhered down. And it goes just like this on the front of the card. It's going to be really colorful and really cute. Okay, now if we look at the picture right there, we see there's the rectangle with the black glitter paper behind it. Then we have a little blue banner off to the side. So I'm going to go ahead. Now I put some score tape on this because sometimes things don't want to stick to the glitter paper. I'm going to go ahead and get that attached to that beautiful black glitter paper, and then get this right here on the front. And you can see I did all my stamping using that adorable little stamp set. And I used Memento Tuxedo Black, and then this was some Memento Ladybug Red. So we'll go ahead and get this together, and before I put it on the front, I'm going to attach this little banner to the back of the glitter paper just like in the photograph. Okay, and I decided I was going to put this on some foam tape as well, so we'll go ahead and get this attached to the front of the card. This is so cute, and it was quick and easy with this kit, guys. And last but not least, we've got our little 4-leaf clover. We're going to stick this on here, and this little card is done. I think I may have gotten a little bit too low with my sentiment, Lucky You're My Friend. So I'm just going to move my 4-leaf clover down just a little bit to make up for that. There we go, guys. Just like in the photograph. Quick and easy. Okay, for our next card, I took another one of the white card bases that comes in the kit, and I took a piece of the blue cardstock, and I cut this at 4 by 5 1/4. That's going to go on right there. Then I took another piece of the beautiful rainbow stripe, and I cut this at 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. That's going to go on there. And then I took a piece of the black glitter paper, and this is 1 inch by 3 7/8, and I'm going to put it right down here, I think. So I'll get my art glitter glue and get this adhered to the front of the card base. Now you guys know how much I love my Elegant Edges cartridge. So, of course, I had to use it on this card. I hardly ever make a card without Elegant Edges, right? So, I cut a shadow out of that same blue with the Elegant Edges cartridge, and I cut this at 3 3/4, and then I cut a white mat to go on top, and I ran that through my Cuttlebug embossing folder. This is Swiss Dots. And I stamped it first and then ran it through the embossing folder. And I've got Follow Your Rainbow, and that came from one of my stamp sets. This is Cardz TV, This and That, and there's Follow Your Rainbow right there. I'm going to get this adhered together and get this on some foam tape, and get this right here on the front. Okay, I've got that popped up for a little bit of dimension. Now, I took the cute little stamp set that comes in this Lucky Friendship card kit, and I stamped the little rainbow, and I stamped 3 of the clouds. And let me show you what I did. I colored the rainbow with some markers, and I didn't do any shading or anything. I just wanted them kind of pale. And then I put a cloud here and a cloud here. I've got this on foam tape, and I'm going to put that right there. And then this third cloud is also on foam tape, and it's going to go right up here. And I think that turned out super cute. So I'm going to get this stuck down, and then we'll come back and take a last look of both of these cards made with the Close to My Heart Lucky Friendship card making kit. Here are my finished cards, guys. This is one that comes with the instructions in the worksheet with the kit, and then this is one I just came up with on my own, and I love them both. I love the stamp set, and I love the papers in this kit. They're just super cute, and many thanks to you, Linda, for sending me these kits, because you know I love them, and you know I love to play with them. So guys, if you'd like to get this kit, you can contact Linda at her Close to My Heart site. I'll leave a link below this video and on my blog, and you can go over, check it out, and pick one up for yourself. I know you'll enjoy it as much as I have. Thanks so much for coming by today, guys. I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.